Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration WU12VFE, 2012 Volkswagen Transporter 2.0 TDI 140 PS Kombi L1. Factory fitted crew cab. It has done 154,000 miles. It has a full service history, included reliability change. The van comes with 6-speed manual, alloys, sat-nav, quick-release rear bench seats, bike rack, parking sensors, tailgate, privacy glass, roof and sidebars, 2 keys. This SWB factory-fitted crew cab is in excellent condition inside and out. It's a really nice example and genuinely drives like a 20,000-mile van. One former keeper and a great service record makes it a great buy. With the favorable 140 brake horsepower single-turbo engine, it's the one for reliability. Do your research. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. PX is considered at trade value. Finance is available and warranty is included. No VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or 01885488188.